How to block spam calls on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, the first step that you need to do is to download these two apps, as you can see them on my screen. Phone by Google and then Truecaller. So you will just go to your Google Play Store. For me, I'm using App Gallery. So if you go to your Google Play Store and search for Phone by Google, so you'll be able to see it. As you can see, this is Phone by Google. Then if you scroll down, you will see Truecaller. So you need to download these two apps and install them on your phone. Now, once you've done that, you're going to close that one. Then I'll begin with Phone. Then once you are here, you are going to tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then Settings. Then under Assistive, tap on Call ID and Spam. Then you need to enable this button. Tap on that button to open it. Then again, filter spam calls. Prevent suspected spam calls from disturbing you. Again, tap on that button to open it. Then once you've done that, you will now close Phone. Then you will go to Truecaller. So once you are here, again, you are going to tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then tap on Settings. Then it will land you here. So you are going to tap on Block. As you can see, these options, we have block option. So tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you'll scroll down a little bit. Then again, you are going to see hidden numbers. So tap on that button to block any number that is shown as unknown or private. So whenever someone will call you with unknown or private number, it will be automatically be blocked. And then under that, you are going to see number not in phone book. So these are the people who are not in your phone book. So whenever they will call you, the number will automatically be blocked. So tap on that to block those numbers. So that's how you can simply block spam calls on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.